Hello, it's just a quickie. There's no tutorial today as such because I had to make this for someone, a little girl again, and I just kept working on it. So, no real tutorial, but then I would take you through this. This is a small box for the mini album that I made. This is the band I made. And here's the mini album. This is how it looks. It's a 3x3. It began with the Meander book, but then I wanted to embellish it. So yeah, it turned out into an album. And these are some things that I had that I've used for charms. This is how it looks. And this is a small closure here. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 7 pages, 7 pockets, the additional pockets as well, and that has made it a little bumpy than a usual Meander book, so that's a little challenging for it to hold on to it, because this is for a school-going girl for her birthday, and I have left spaces for her to fill in as per her taste. This is the basic that I would give her so she could improve and shape it to her taste. So this is the letter of her name, and just a little pocket with the vellum sentiment. Childhood is the beautiful of all life seasons. And this is a small folder. She could add in few journals or photos. So this is another pocket here, and it has a small pocket within the pocket with a little tag for journal, and this could be used, the back could be used for either photograph, or she could still write on it. I've just made a coin envelope here. There's nothing in it, but she could use the space to tuck in any of her ephemeras. And this is another pocket, and of course this regular pocket has its tag, a space for journaling, and space for photograph. And this is again just a space for photo and journaling. And these are just spaces left as is, either for photograph or for journaling. I've just given a tuck in here, and I've tucked in a tag, and there's this coffee mug, so she could use it as per her likings. And this is an envelope here, a mini envelope. There's ample space for journaling. Again, just a photo mat. She could either journal or tuck in a photograph. It's all the same. And I've left a photo frame here. She could use it to tuck in her photograph and add in any sentiment or title as per her liking and the occasion. This is just a little tuck-in with a little something here and a sentiment that she could use somewhere. Happy day. This is again just a mat. I've just left it as is. And this is another pocket which is empty. She could use it as per her liking. That's the end. There is space here for her to tuck in something that she wants, and that's it. I did not want to embellish this further because of the vibrancy in the colors. This is orange and this is some shade in between orange and pink, or I don't know, but it looked really beautiful, and adding on anything would take away the charm of this. Hence I just made this band to go with it, and that's contrastingly complementing, and that kind of looked sufficing. So that's about it. It's just a simple box with an album. Thanks for watching. See ya. Bye.